New to Upwork, you might be sending proposals but not getting replies. Don't worry, today I will show you exactly how to bid on Upwork the right way so you can start winning projects. Before bidding, read the job description carefully. Look at the client's history, budget, and required skills. Avoid jobs with vague details or very low budgets. Target jobs that match your skills 100%. That's where you will win faster. Step 2, use connects wisely. On Upwork, you need connects to bid. Don't waste them on random jobs. Instead, save them for projects where you are confident you can deliver value. Okay, now let's come to the point. Once you select a client's job to bid on, click on it. Here you can see your available connects and also how many connects this project requires. Basically, you must have enough connects to apply for the job. Just below that, you will see an option. How do you want to be paid? You can choose either by projects or by milestone. Select it as per your need. For example, I'm choosing by project. Next, enter your bid amount. Remember, Upwork charges a service fee, usually 10% on most projects, so a small percentage would be deducted from the price you set. After that, select how much time you will need to complete the project. Finally, in the cover letter or description box, write your proposal. This is where you explain why you are the right fit for the job and how you will deliver value. Remember, your proposal is your first impression. Keep it short, specific, and focus on client's problem. Show you understand their needs, offer a clear solution, end with a call to action. Can we schedule a quick call to discuss your project? Then, step 4, set the right price. At the beginning, price slightly lower than the competition to build reviews. Once you have good ratings, increase your rate. Clients don't always choose the cheapest, they choose the best value. Step 5, add work samples. Always attach relevant portfolio items. If the job is about logo design, show 2 to 3 logos you made. This builds instant trust. Step 6, be quick and professional. Respond fast to invites or client messages. Upwork rewards freelancers who are active and professional. The faster you reply, the higher your chances. Step 7, follow up, but don't spam. If a client has not responded in a few days, it is okay to send one polite follow up message, but don't spam, it hurts your chances. And that's it. To bid successfully on Upwork, pick the right jobs, write focus proposals, show proof of work, and price smart. Once you land a few projects, the platform snowballs with better offers. Want me to make a script on the top 3 proposal templates that actually work on Upwork? Let me know in the comments.